Hi, this is Joy. We're making pancakes and waffles today. Please don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, and select all for notifications.
We are going to quickly whip up a batch of my ancient grain pancake and waffle mix. So here's how to do it. You just dump the entire contents of this package into a bowl. The instructions are clearly laid out on the back of the package. We're just going to add 3 simple ingredients. This is half a cup of avocado oil. You can use a different type of oil. You could even use melted butter if you wanted. If you wanted to use melted Earth Balance butter substitute, you could do that. But you could even use refined melted coconut oil. I like to use avocado oil. So that's just half a cup. And we're going to add 2 whole eggs. Get those mashed up. And then we're just going to add some water. So this mix already has it's a milk alternative. It's organic coconut milk powder. So this is a cup and a half here. Well, that's pretty much how I like the consistency. I would say I did just a couple splashes over a cup and a half of water. I'm going to show you both the pancakes and the waffles, and I've got my waffle iron all heating up. Just using a ladle. Fill this up and spread it out to just follow the instructions on your particular. All the waffle irons are so different, but you can spread it out to this size right there. Just gonna close that and flip it. Green light is on. Let's see how this turned out. So nice and crispy and fluffy. Oop. Voila.
So it's really important that you have a super hot skillet. You can see this is smoking. Just speeding through this. I'm sure you all have made pancakes before.
So we'd like to see these bubbles here. And you can see this one's ready to flip. You can feel free to throw in some blueberries into the mix. You could put chocolate chips in there, or I just most of the time keep it pretty simple.
And there you have it. I love to serve it with fresh fruit and toppings and a high quality maple syrup. Enjoy!